Brief outline. Top 10 largest passenger aircraft in the world. Number 10. Airbus A330-300. The Airbus A330 is a wide-body airliner made by Airbus. The A330-300 has a range of 11,750 kilometers or 6,350 nmi with 277 passengers. Number 9. Airbus A340-300. The Airbus A340-300 is a passenger airplane made in France. It was first manufactured in 1993 and can accommodate 295 passengers in a single class seat arrangement and 267 in a two-class system. Number 8. Airbus A340-500. The Airbus A340-500 is a passenger airplane manufactured in France. It came out in 2006, though there were early deliveries in 2002. It is designed for 372 passengers in a single-class seat arrangement and 313 in a double-class system. Number 7. Airbus A350-900. The A350-900 is the cornerstone member of Airbus' all-new A350XWB family, which is shaping the future air travel. This jetliner accommodates between 300 and 350 passengers in a standard three-class configuration, and its state-of-the-art comfort and amenities ensure that everyone on board enjoys a pleasant flight. Number 6. Boeing 777-200. The Boeing 777-200 is a passenger plane made in the United States. It can accommodate 440 passengers in a single-class system and 400 in a two-class configuration. It has a travel range of 14,260 kilometers or 7,700 nautical miles. Number 5. Airbus A340-600. The A340-600 is the largest capacity member of the A340 family. With an overall length of 75.36 meters, and a seating capacity between 320 and 370 passengers in a typical three-class layout or 475 in high-density seating, while keeping the Airbus standard 18-inch wide seat comfort in economy class. Number 4. Boeing 777-300. The Boeing 777-300 is a passenger plane manufactured in the United States with a seating capacity of 550 people in a single-class setup and 451 in a two-class configuration. It has a travel range of 6,013 nautical miles or 11,135 kilometers. Number 3. Boeing 777-300. The Boeing 747-400 is a passenger plane made in the United States by Boeing that has the capacity to accommodate 416 passengers in a 3-class setup, 524 in a 2-class setup and 660 in an all-economy cabin. It has a travel range of 7,260 nautical miles or 13,446 kilometers. Number 2. Boeing 747-8. The Boeing 747-8 is a passenger airplane manufactured in the United States. It can accommodate 700 passengers if a single-class system is followed, while 600 seats are available in a double-class configuration. The plane has a travel range of 8,000 nautical miles or 14,816 kilometers. Number 1. Airbus A380-800. The Airbus A380-800 is a passenger plane made in France with capacity for 853 passengers in a single class or 644 in a two-tiered class. It has a travel range of 8,208 nautical miles or 15,200 kilometers.